Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, look, today our topic is exercise 3.3 factor. Lesson now 10 is the norm 7. Today I will solve the two factor, and this is taken from your book, page number 61, question number 28 and 29. Okay, at first I will solve question number 28. Okay, student, look. At first look, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7. Look, minus 1 and minus 7 equal to minus 8. Similarly, minus 3 and minus 5 is equal to minus 8. So we have to arrange like this way: x minus 1, then x minus 7, similarly x minus 3, x minus 5, minus 65, minus 65. Look, minus 7, minus 8, minus 5, minus 3, minus 8. Now we have to multiply. Look, x is square, then x, then minus 7x, minus a plus, x into x, x square, 1 into x, 1x, x minus 7 equal to minus 7x minus a plus 7. Okay, now multiply. Look, x is x into x, x square, then 3x, then 5x, minus a plus 15 minus 65. Look, x square minus 7x minus 1x, that means 8x plus 7 plus 7, then x square minus 8x plus 15. Okay, we can write 15 as 7 plus 8 minus 65 minus 65. Okay, why I have written here 15 as 7 plus 8. You see, x square minus 8x plus 7. Okay, now we have to consider x square minus 8x plus 7 equal to p. Look, then this is equal to p, then this is equal to what? P. P plus 8 minus 65, let x squared minus 8x plus 7 equal to p. Okay, student, you see x square minus 8x plus 7 equal to p. X square minus 8x plus 7 equal to p. So up to this p, first bracket, this means p. This plus 8, then minus 65. Now multiply p into p square, p into 8, 8p, minus 65 minus 65. We have to now factorization. This is the middle breakup method. Now solve. P square, then 13p minus 5p minus 65. Look, there is p is the common, then p plus 13 minus 5 is the common between this, minus plus. Okay, now see, p plus 13 is the common, so write p plus 13, then p minus 5. Okay, look, this is the factorization form, but we have considered p equal to x square minus 8x plus 7. So we have to put the value now. P equal to what? X square minus 8x plus 7, okay, plus 13 plus 13. Now x square minus 8x plus 7 minus 5 minus 3. Look, student, p equal to x square minus 8x plus 7 plus 13, p equal to x square minus 8x plus 7 minus 5 minus 5. We have to write here as p equal to what? X square minus 8x plus 7. Okay, now x square minus 8x, 7 plus 13 is equal to 20 and x square minus 8x, 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Look, this is the required factorization form. Okay. Now I will solve the question number 29. Dear student, this question is very important for your exam. Okay. This is also confusing. Please keep attention. Look, this is 2b square c square. Okay. Can we write like this way? 4b square c square minus 2b square c square, because 4b square c square minus 2b square c square equal to 2b square c square. Okay. Now write that rest of the term remaining same, 2c square a square, then 2a square b square, then a power 4 b power 4 c power 4. Okay. Now we can write 4b square c square equal to 2bc whole square. Okay. Now can we write like this way? Look, b power 4 then c power 4 plus a power 4. We have taken here minus is the common, then minus plus, minus and minus plus, minus and minus plus. Okay. So look, this minus and this minus, as we have taken here minus is the common, so minus and minus plus. Similarly minus and this minus is plus. Similarly minus and this minus is plus. Okay, that means a power 4. Now minus is what? Minus is plus 2b square c square, then minus plus a minus 2c square a square. Okay. Similarly minus plus a minus 2a square and b square. Okay. Student, notice here b power 4 c power 4 a power 4, then 2b square c square, because we have taken here minus common, then minus plus minus 2c square a square, then minus 2a square b square. Okay. Now look, 2bc whole square, then can you write like this? Look, b square then square, that means power into power with multiplication, so this becomes b power 4. Similarly c square then power 2, so this equal to c power 4. Now please notice here minus a square then square. What is meant by this? Look, minus a square and minus a square equal to what? Minus a plus, and this becomes a power 4. You see, a power 4. Here is also a power 4, but I have written in this form. Okay. Now you see, what is the rest of the term? This is 2b square c square. Okay. So we have write 2b square c square. Okay. Then plus 2c square then a square plus 2a square then b square. Student, look, plus 2b square c square, here is also plus 2b square c square, plus minus 2a square c square. You see, 2a square c square plus minus 2a square b square. Okay. Student, you know this formula, b square plus c square plus a square plus 2bc plus 2ca plus 2ab. What is the formula? You know this formula is b plus c plus a whole square. Okay. So according to this formula you have to write this. Okay. So look, you can write 2bc whole square, then what? Look, b square plus c square then minus a square then whole square. Okay. Now see 2bc whole square then this is equal to b square plus c square plus minus a square. Okay, whole square. Now this is the formula a square minus b square formula. Okay, we know a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Look, that means 2bc plus b square plus c square minus a square. Okay, similarly here 2bc minus b square plus c square minus a square. Okay, this is the second bracket. Look, b square minus c square. But we know b square minus c square formula what? B plus c into b minus c. So look, 2bc, you see 2bc plus b square plus c square minus a square, then 2bc minus b square plus c square minus a square. Now we have to write like this way: 2bc plus b square plus c square minus a square. Okay, then here look, 2bc minus b square minus plus minus c square minus a plus. Okay, now look, we can write like this way: b square plus 2bc plus c square. Look, b square, 2bc, c square. Okay, then minus a square. Okay, this is the second bracket. Now look, a square, convert a square, then minus is the common, b square minus a plus, minus plus a minus 2c minus a plus. Okay, now look, what is the formula of this? b plus c whole square. Okay, b square plus 2bc plus c square equal to b plus c whole square minus a whole square. Okay, then what is the formula? A square then b minus c whole square. Okay, now we know b plus c plus a then b plus c minus a. This is the formula. Now look, a plus b minus c. Okay, a plus b minus c, then a minus b minus a plus. Okay, look student, this is the expression, but this is all the factor as a product form. So this is our required factorization form. I hope student you understood. Okay, for your understanding I repeat again. Look, this is the math, this is the expression. Now we have written here 4b square minus 2bc square, that means 2b square c square, 2c square a square, 2c a square, 2a square, 2a square b square, a power 4, b power 4, b power 4, c power 4, c power 4. Okay, now 4b square c square, we can write 2b whole square, then minus, we have taken minus common, then minus a plus, then look, this minus and this minus plus, then minus a plus e power 4, then minus a plus 2b square c square, then minus plus minus 2c square a square, then minus 2a square b square. Okay, now we have to write like this: b square whole square, that means b power 4 plus c square then e square, that means c power 4 plus a square then e square, means what? Minus then e square, that means what? Plus a power 4. Okay, but why I have written this? Because to making a exact formula, 2b square c square then plus 2c square a square. Look, you see, I have written in minus a square, then look 2 plus minus minus 2 a square c square. You see minus 2 a square c square. Similarly, this 2 plus minus 2 a square b square. You see minus 2 a square b square. Now this is the formula. We can write b square plus c square plus a square. Okay. But a square means what? Here is value of minus a square. Okay. Then whole square. Then 2bc whole square. This is equal to what? B square plus c square plus minus a square, then whole square. 2bc plus b square plus c square minus a square. Okay. That means we have to write the formula of a plus b into a minus b. That means 2bc plus b square plus c square minus a square. Then 2bc minus b square plus c square minus a square. 2bc remaining same, b square plus c square minus a square. 2bc b square minus plus minus a plus. Now we have arranged here b square, 2bc, c square and minus a square. Okay. Now give the second bracket. Look, a square plus a square minus, we have taken here minus common, then minus a plus, and minus plus a minus 2bc minus plus a minus, sorry, minus a plus, minus plus a minus 2bc, then this minus and this minus equal to plus c square. Now see, this is the formula of b plus c whole square minus a square, then a square minus, this formula is b minus c whole square. Now see, we have to write the formula a plus b into a minus b. Now write b plus c plus a, then b plus c minus a square minus b square equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. That means a plus b minus c, then a minus b and minus c minus, and that minus equal to plus c. Okay. I hope you understood. Dear student, now I will talk with you about SW. Look, your SW is exercise 3.3, question number 27 and 30. Okay, both the two questions are same as question number 28. Okay, if you practice and try, I hope you can understood and easily solve the math. And you submit the SW on Saturday within 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Dear student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.